Imagine if this is where you had to get to your water, in a dirty pond. And then walk for miles on end, knowing that you have no other option, and what you're carrying could give your child life-threatening diseases. This is the reality for so many mothers in Africa. School children miss out on class and walk for an hour a day to get water that isn't even clean. But you can help. Water to Thrive has been building wells for communities in Africa for 10 years, giving access to clean water to 500,000 people. We're asking for your help. To give others a basic human right. To make their lives better, to keep them safe, and to leave no one behind.